Today we talk about how can you add your birthday or change it on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click on edit date of birth here, just click on it and here add your birthday, click here on same. So then automatically it's going to add with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do to add your birthday in this list here. I wish now you I get it, that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.